Quick Measure Mode. Toggle on Quick Measure Mode to quickly place dimensions between objects and move selected objects to a set distance relative to other objects in your drawing. The button is found in the new Toggle toolbar up in the right-hand corner. Toggle this function off or on as needed. Light blue icon background indicates tool is enabled. White icon background indicates tool is disabled. You can use the Quick Measure tool in 3 ways. Insert dimension. With Quick Measure Mode enabled, left-click to select an object to activate the tool. As you hover over other objects, points will appear. Click on the point you would like to use, then select the Insert Dimension button. Set distance. With Quick Measure Mode enabled, you are able to quickly set the distance between your selected objects and other objects in your drawing. To do so, select the object you would like to move. As you hover over other objects, points will appear. Click on the point you would like to use, then select the Set Distance button. A box will appear, allowing you to set your preferred distance. Hit Enter to accept the new distance. Changing selected object. To change your selected object while using Quick Measure Mode, use the Select Object button. This action is especially helpful when using the Set Distance function, allowing you to quickly change which object will move.